The product that we provide first to our customer is a returnable space platform to send things around the world through space very, very quickly. So you can imagine having a CarryAll with a shipping container payload loaded up with supplies at Cape Canaveral, launch it on a Falcon 9 or Starship, and within an hour or two, you could land it somewhere else on the planet.
We're out in Coolidge, Arizona today, and we've really demonstrated the whole sequence of the airdrop regime. Drogue opens, paraglider deployed, it autonomously navigated to the flag. Not only did it land where it was supposed to land by itself, but on top of that, it stayed upright, gave a smooth landing, and we didn't have any damage to the unit or to the payload inside it.
These airdrop units are really a subsystem of our space vehicle. So demonstrating the paraglider flight is really the final stage of our descent and return from space.